Welcome. This is a quick 5-minute beginner-friendly yoga class that you can do any time of the day to help you feel your best. We'll begin standing at the top of the mat. Inhaling the hands up overhead. Exhale, take a fold option to bend the knees. Inhale, half lift, flat back. Exhale, fold. Inhale, come to standing, hands reach up. Exhale, heart center. Inhale, hands reach up. Exhale, fold. Option to bend the knees. Inhale, half lift, flat back. Exhale, stepping the left foot back. Inhale, reaching the arms up overhead, high lunge, engage the core. Exhale, plant the hands, step it back into plank. On your next exhale, plant the knees, lower halfway. Inhale for up dog or cobra. Exhale, down dog. Option to bend the knees here. You can bend one, bend the other. Pressing the mat away from your hands and feet. Don't worry about what it looks like. We'll inhale, stepping to the top of the mat, half lift, flat back. Exhale, fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, stepping the right foot back this time. Inhale, reaching the hands up overhead, high lunge. Be strong here. Exhale, plant the hands, step it back, plank. Inhale. Exhale, option to plant the knees, lower halfway. Inhale for up dog or cobra. Slight bend in the elbows. Exhale, send the hips back towards the heels, forehead or cheek to the mat for child's pose. Option here to place pillows between the hips and heels and underneath the torso for added height and support. You can reach the hands forward or take them just beside your hips, your heels. Whatever feels best today, allowing your body to completely let go here, soften. Sighing out any tension with each exhale. We'll gently lift all the way up. Take your time. Now you can stay seated on your knees or just come to whatever seat is most comfortable for you. Wherever you are, we'll inhale the hands up overhead. Exhale, side stretch towards the left. Right hand reaches up and over. Inhale, reach back up. Exhale, side stretch towards the right. Left hand reaches up and over. Inhale, reach back up. Exhale, twisting towards your left, gentle twist to your own ability. Inhale, reach back up. Exhale, twisting towards the right. Inhale, reach the hands up. Exhale, release them back down. We'll do that one more time. Inhale, reach. Exhale, take the hands to heart center. Thank you for joining. Namaste. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it below, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates on future videos and live streams.